Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm going to be changing out the chrome colored headlight spray nozzles that you see on the front of the car there. I think you can probably see it at the bottom of the screen here and then one over there. And I'm going to be switching them out for these black ones made by Porsche. And there's a little hack that I discovered on one of the Renless threads on these nozzles. And it turns out that the part that is used on I believe it's the 2012 and 2013 Cayenne, and I believe there's another model of Porsche. They also can be used for this car. In fact, it's the identical part. I saw them compared side by side to each other. The difference is that the one that is made for the 991 is about 3 or 4 times as expensive. These cost about 20 bucks each, so I went ahead and ordered them. And if you want to see the part number, there it is. I'm putting that up there for you. And I've got 2 of them here ready to put in. The video, I don't expect for you to really gain a whole lot of new information compared to what's already out there on YouTube. It's a pretty simple process. You lift up the nozzle. You try to keep the little thing that holds the nozzle in place from getting sucked back down into the body. But if it does, it's apparently no big deal. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and hopefully you enjoy this video. Alrighty, stay tuned. All right, so you can see I've begun by masking that little area up. I have 3 tools: a little vice grip, a little hooky device, a little flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna begin by pulling up on this thing here with this little hooky device, and then I want to carefully apply, squeeze it with the vice grip so that it doesn't come down. Then I'm going to pull that up and put in the new one. You could see, I'm going to do an up close so that you could see a little better, but these are essentially identical. And just to be sure I'm aiming it properly, I'm going to pop up. It goes in just the way it's supposed to go. You hear it click, you pull back, and there you go. All right, let's go take a close-up look at the old one and the new one, which I have another one. So here you see them. They are indeed identical. Every little bit of it. Length, shape, you know, even down to those little ridges that click in right there that you see. These little parts, those are the parts that click in that you heard when I snapped it in. And even these nozzles, they are indeed pointing exactly the same. So what we've got here basically are 2 identical parts, except one is chrome colored and one is like a gloss black. So there you have it. And there you have it. The new black nozzle, or nozzles for the headlights. I only wish that I had the black version of these headlights, but I don't plan on changing those unless I found somebody who miraculously wanted to just do an even trade and theirs were in as good a condition as mine. For anyone who's familiar with these headlights, to buy a new set, whether in black or these, are about $4,000. So no interest in doing that, but I do like the little change that we've got here. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. Also, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone.